Dear love, sa generation namin, bihira mo na lamang matagpuan ang pusong totoong magmamahal sa'yo. Madami na ngayon ang takot sa commitment at gusto na lamang ang relasyong walang label. Kung ang pag-ibig ang pundasyon sa isang relasyon, sa sitwasyon ko ngayon, ito ay kasiyahan. Hanggat masaya, kahit walang pangahawakan, tuloy ang namamagitan.
Peach! So tell me, what really happened? And why are you having a conversation with the guy we just met at the bar?
Ali, I told you, there's nothing going on between us. It's just the vibe. We've met, we danced. We're just happy.
I don't believe you. Halos on repeat na tong situationship song and it looks like you're enjoying it. Don't tell me. Pumayag ka sa walang label with that guy?
It's just a song, Ali.
I'm just concerned. Peach, you are just stimulated that night and distracted ka sa music. What you feel is dopamine rush. Don't you ever give in, ah?
Yes, Allison. Did you just think that I've given in? We're not even in a relationship.
Bingo! You aren't in a relationship pero nag-uusap kayo at nagkikita. So the two of you are in a situationship. I knew it!
Allison, I don't know what...
You're doomed! So tell me, what really happened that night?
Fine. I'll tell you. Happy birthday, Allison, my dearest bestie!
Oh my God! Peach, you're here! I thought di ka na makakapunta. You know naman na magtatampo talaga ako if wala ka dito.
Kailang paalam pa nga ako kay Daddy. Alam mo naman yun, so old school. Ayaw akong payagan dito sa bar but I made sure na makakapunta ako cause it's your birthday!
Aww! You're the sweetest! Hey, let's go! Andun pa yung iba nating friends. Let's drink and have fun! Woohoo!
Calling all the single peeps here tonight on the dance floor. All the single people tonight, come here on the dance floor.
Peach! The DJ is calling all the singles. Go dance na!
And how about you? Hindi mo ako samahan?
Susunod ako later. Enjoy!
Gotcha. I grabbed the sexy lady right here.
Did someone just grab me or it's just the lyrics itself?
Hi, I'm Dan. What's your name?
I'm Peach.
Nice to meet you, Peach. Wouldn't it be great if we dance?
Oh my gosh, paano ko tatanggihan ito? This guy has great posture, confident, and good looking. Sasayaw lang naman, right?
Now, if you grabbed somebody tonight, dance with this song.
Shall we dance?
Sure. I'm not gonna lie. This is my first time to dance with someone at the bar. We danced, we grooved, and felt the rhythm. And what amazed me the most was our vibe. All of those gestures, touch on my cheeks, waist, and those smack on my lips. This is so magical. Feel comfortable with him.
What are you celebrating?
Oh, it's my best friend's birthday today.
I'll grab her a drink then. Asan siya?
She's in the room upstairs kasama yung mga iba pa naming friends.
That's cool. Peach, right? I'm really interested with you. Pwede bang kitang mas makilala pa?
Well, just ask questions. Sasagutin ko.
Okay. Are you already working?
I just graduated. Arky, ikaw?
I'm still studying. No.
Whoa, kaya ka nasa bar. You're preparing for the bar exam, right?
You got me there. Well, I'm here because it was my birthday last week and now lang ako nagka-time to celebrate because I've been really busy. Come, Sayo pa tayo.
He held my hand and we danced again. This time, he is slowly leaning his face and... Is he trying to kiss me?
Peach, do you know shotgun kiss?
I don't know. What's that?
Here, I got my vape. Inhale the smoke, then exhale it in my lips.
Well, I've never tried this before.
Perfect. Now is the right time then.
I did the shotgun kiss and after that, he kissed me. Pakiramdam ko, kaming dalawa lang ang tao sa dance floor. I don't know why. I trusted this guy so easily. But the vibe was undeniable.
Peach, you're mine tonight.
Sure. Ang higpit ng yakap ni Dan and he kissed me on my lips.
Come with me.
Oh, wait, Dan. Sandali, bakit mo ba ako nihila? Saan tayo pupunta?
At my place. Para tayo lang dalawa.
Wait, Dan. I'm not really into this. Ipapaalam ko muna sa bestie ko.
Sure. I'll wait here.
Allison, can you come with me?
Oh, hi! Peach, how are you? Saan kita sasamahan?
I need your help.
Guys, excuse us for a while, ah. Oh, what happened? May nambastos ba sa'yo sa floor?
No, I've met someone. Oh, how do I explain? And he wants me to go to his place.
Alam mo naman what might happen, right? Where is he? I'll talk to him. What's his name?
He's right outside. His name is Dan.
Kakausapin ko siya. Dan, right? Oh, hi. I'm Allison, Peach's best friend.
Hi, Allison. I heard it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Do you want some drinks?
No thanks. Gusto ko lang malaman, saan mo dadalhin ng best friend ko?
We'll just go to my place. 15 minutes away lang yun from here. I'll take care of her, I promise.
Wait. Akin na yung phone mo. Share mo yung location mo sa akin, na. Sa'yo din, Peach. Akin na.
Oh, sure. Let me turn on the location. Then, I'll send this to your iMessage.
Yeah, better na tong ganito na naka-shared location para alam ko kung saan mo talaga siya dadalhin.
Just 30 minutes. Ang ingay kasi sa loob, we can't really talk.
Kahit pwede naman kayong mag-usap dito sa labas? Well, malaki na kayo. Just be responsible and be protected, ha?
Thanks. Peach, let's go to my car.
Dan, I'm not used to these kinds of things. Papatayin mo ba ako?
Sasarap. Babe, don't worry, I won't do anything to harm you, okay? Come on, here. These are my 3 valid IDs. You can also take a picture and Allison knows where we're heading.
So, Dan talaga ang name mo.
Come on, tell me more about yourself.
There's nothing extraordinary except I have conservative and strict parents.
Strict parents create great liars. You know that? But with me, no lies, my darling.
As if lawyers don't know how to lie.
That is why huling-huli namin kapag nagsisinungaling. We're here. Welcome to my humble abode.
I can't help but wonder my eyes. I was scared but at the same time, parang ang gaan ng loob ko sa lalaking ito. Ang dali ko nagtiwala sa kanya.
Let's go to my room.
Am I ready to just casually hook up with a stranger I just met sa bar?
You know what? I really like you. And I want to kiss you. Right now.
Dan, my dress.
Take it off, babe. I want to go deeper with you. Can we exchange our socials? And can I also get your number?
Why do we need to keep in touch?
Because I'm really interested in you. So, we can hang out. I'll just call you. Are you okay with this?
Sige. Buhay pa naman ako until now. Dear love, I thought that after we shared the night and did the casual, he would just book me a ride and ask me to go home. But he surprised me by cooking me some delicious chicken Alfredo, and we spent some time sharing stories in the kitchen. I must say, it was the best chicken Alfredo I've ever had. And tuwang-tuwa naman ang loko as I compliment his cooking skills. After dinner, he played some music from his phone and we continued to enjoy each other's company.
Babe, I'm just curious. Why are you into situationship?
Well, sa generation natin ngayon, sa tingin mo mahalaga pa ba ang label? Imagine, hindi naman lahat ng magkarelasyon ng matagalan na uuwi sa kasalan, right?
Exactly. Peach, what is your story really? Why don't you believe in commitments anymore?
My parents, kinasal sila. But see, they didn't end up together. My mom is even happier now with her new partner as to when they were still together ni Dad. I don't believe in marriage, so why would I even believe in such relationship na hindi mo din naman sigurado ang ending? No commitment? Mas madaling umalis sa relationship.
Sabagay, hindi kasi natin hawak ang damdamin ng partner natin. Kasi nga, anytime, pwede nila tayong iwan.
Nagtatagalog ka naman pala, Conyo boy. Well, I felt that sincerity. So, is that a hint about your past?
Yeah, 6 years, legal both sides. I even proposed to her. I think the saying is true. To love someone long-term is to attend 1,000 funerals of the people they used to be. Hindi ko lubos maisip ang drastic change of my ex. Parang, I had to choose between her and myself.
Gotcha. Well, you are lucky tonight because you aren't gonna attend my 1,000 funerals because you can leave me anytime you want.
You can leave me as well if I don't make you happy anymore.
So let's call it a deal then. No labels, no expectations, and no commitment, okay? I warn you, don't you dare fall in love with me.
As if I'm just gonna enjoy this until it lasts. So, deal?
Deal.
And you believe those lies? Peach, he told you those things for him to get into your pants. Hindi naman kita masisisi because it's your first time to hook up. But remember si Dan at yung mga tipo niyang lalaki na na-meet mo lang sa bar? They aren't real.
But I feel it, Ali. I know he's into me.
He is into you. More of he got into your pants. Okay ka ba talaga sa ganyan? Wala kang pinanghahawakan. Oh, I do remember naka-shared location nga pala siya sa akin. Let's go ahead and check where he is. OMG! See? Do you see this? Peach, he is at the bar. And I can assure you that at this very moment, ginagawa niya din yung mga bagay na ginawa niya sa'yo. Peach, wake up. You are more than that. You don't deserve that kind of relationship. See? You don't even see each other after what happened. And sapat na sa'yo yung mga chats niya? Did he even ask you for a date?
But Ali, I like him. And I'm really happy. And you're wrong kasi magkikita ulit kami ngayon and he is waiting for me there at the bar.
Masaya ka lang kasi pinipilit mong maging masaya. You know what? You better end that situationship.
Well, thanks, Ali. I know that you love me and you are concerned, but don't you understand? Dan and I, we're happy and that is good enough for me. Besides, ayoko ng commitment. Sige na. Una na ako. Bye!
I warned you.
Again, thank you for your concern and know that I am aware. All aware. Bye, Allison. See you later. Dear love, yes, we are really happy. Kailangan pa ba talaga ng label? Mas okay nga siguro yung wala. At least, walang breakup, walang monthsary, walang expectations, walang commitment, walang rules. Ang mahalaga, masaya sa situationship.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Love Radio.
Basic!